Hey, what's up guys? So it's Easter Sunday and well, to celebrate we decided to do an Easter egg hunt for the dogs and it has started, as you can see. Oh, Drogo found the first one. Good boy, buddy. So they're all pink. I guess dogs see color gray. I don't know why I said, hey, let's get some pink ones, that way they can see them easier. Yeah, good girl. Good boy, Drogo. That's one for Drogo. That's 1 point for him.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Usually he doesn't get
Yeah, I think last year Onyx got a ball. Or most of them.
all years she gets the ball. Okay.
Alright, where's the next one? Oh, he got the next one.
Oh, no. Okay, we have to share.
It split open?
Yeah, it did. Come here, Onyx. I'll give you a bigger one. There you go.
Good boy, buddy. Alright, where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Go ahead, Onyx. You know the game.
Follow your nose.
So missing this one right here.
You're cold, Drogo. You're cold. Come on, man. You got this. Come on, Onyx.
Come on, you guys. I know. Nope, I don't have anything.
Hey, we don't have anything. He's getting closer. He's getting closer. Yeah, Onyx got hers too.
Oh,
okay.
Hey, good boy. Girl.
Drogo's on a roll. At least Onyx got her first one.
Yeah, so he's what, 3 and she's 1?
Yeah. I guess we kind of have to guide them a little bit.
I know. Oh, okay. Here, baby. Oh.
It's just grilled chicken.
No. Onyx, come here. Okay. Don't we have another one over here anyway?
He got it. It was the one on the bike.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Where else is the other one? Huh. Where? He was close. He was so close. Oh, you got it. He got it.
Okay.
I know. They don't even care anymore. They're
Okay.
it's
Where's some chickens? There's a lot here.
No. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good boy.
I'm a good boy, aren't I?
Good boy, buddy.
Yeah. What, was that Drogo's?
Yeah.
So he's 5?
Yeah.
She's 1?
There's still one more over here. There's one right there.
Okay, guys. Oh, okay, girl, okay.
Oh, he found another one?
Yeah.
He got ahead, huh?
He did.
Sneaky.
Good boy. You're so good this year. It's because he had all that boiled chicken when he had surgery.
He's like, I know that smell.
I know. Okay, you tell me.
Follow your nose. Getting colder. Here, Onyx, I'll point. He learned real quick.
I know.
Hey, let's see if they do understand if I point where to go. Let's try this experiment. Yeah. Let's see. They already got it all? Alright, let's try this. Onyx, Drogo.
Going the opposite.
I'm pointing. He started biting the egg.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I found it. No, Onyx.
Just one more, right? Oh no, I know. No, there's one more egg right over there on the fence. I remember.
Oh, and the one on the tree that they haven't gotten.
Oh,
And the one over.
Yep, there's one right there. Oh, there goes Drogo. He got it.
Oh my god.
He got it.
Okay.
He's good.
Good boy. Good girl. Okay. Good boy. That's okay. Okay, Onyx.
Alright guys, we almost got them all. We almost got them all. Where's they at? Where are they at? Where are they at, Onyx? Come on. Alright. Alright. I see that one over there on the fence. There's one over there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see my finger.
No, Onyx.
And then there's one
No, Onyx.
right there in the tree. Right in between there. Right? Oh, he's so close!
He's so bad.
Let me help you, Drogo, right there.
He's going bad. Onyx. Drogi, wrong spot. He smells something. He just doesn't.
Oh, that's right. There's another one over there by the door. I forgot about that.
Maybe Onyx will find it. They know that there's more out here. They can smell it.
Come on, guys, follow your nose. Drogo. Drogo.
So close. So close.
Over there. Oh, that's cheating.
No, because both of them have.
Oh. I think Onyx. He got it.
Okay. Good boy.
Come on.
Okay. I know. There's 5 in here.
One more.
Easiest one.
Easiest one. Oh yeah!
You got the last
Good
one.
job, Onyx. Oh, did he crack it open?
Yeah, I did. Oh my goodness.
Oh, good job, Onyx. Onyx got that one.
Good boy, good girl. Come here, Onyx. Another round. Still together. Oh!
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Good job, buddy. Onyx. I think Drogo won this year. Hey,
Oh, Tommy.
come here, buddy. You won by a lot. Yeah.
Come on.
Onyx. Hey, girl. All right, guys. Happy Easter.